spiced. It's chai tea. I love chai tea. You guys at Sipsby are getting this like spot on. Hey guys, it's Jen of All Trades. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing another unboxing video by me. Today I am finally back. I've been in vacation mode for the last week. I'm so sorry if anyone has missed me. I've missed posting, so I'm finally back. It was the week of the 4th. My husband's been home for the last week. We've just been kind of chilling. We went out of town. We've been doing all kinds of stuff. So I'm finally back here filming for you guys, and all of my boxes are starting to come in. So we're gonna do Sipsby, we got Boxycharm, we got Allure, we got Ipsy, we got everything coming up in the next week or so. All of those will be getting to me, and those videos will be going up. So without further ado, let's get into this box. This is the July Sipsby box. If you're not familiar with it, it is a monthly subscription box. It is a tea subscription box, so it is a consumable. But you get all kinds of different teas. You do have a profile that you specify whatever your preferences are. They customize it for you every month. It's only $15 a month, but if you use my code, you get $5 off, which is only $10 for your first month for you to try it out. Definitely worth a shot. So without anything else, here's the box. So this is our July box, and the cool thing about it is it comes with your name on it, and then it tells you a little bit about every tea that you get, what the caffeine content is, how to steep it, and everything about it. So you do get, I think, 4 servings of like 4 or 5 different teas. So this is what my box is looking like. All right, so right on top I see a loose tea. You do get a mixture of between loose and bag tea. So this one is loose, and this is organic jasmine green tea, and this is what it looks like right there. Of course, you get your little baggies to go along with it. And the organic jasmine tea is low caffeine. It is organic and is a Chinese green tea, and you just have to steep it for 2 minutes. So that is very cool. The next one we have is, this is our 4 servings. You get 4 of them. This is by Organic India, and this is Tulsi, cinnamon rose flavored, stress relieving and mystical, and it is caffeine free. This sounds really good. So cinnamon rose sounds amazing. So that is what that looks like. I'm sorry if it's backwards. I know that it is, but like I said, it is caffeine free, and this one, it has cardamom, if I'm saying that right, pod chamomile, organic Egyptian rose flavor, all organic, cinnamon, peppermint, lots of good stuff. All right, next we have Tea Head. This is again a loose tea, and this is strawberry, and it is caffeine free. So this is a strawberry blend. Again, it's a loose tea. So there is that. And then the very last kind, so you do get 4 different teas, 4 different servings of 4 different teas. And then this is Vadam Tea's Earl Grey Spiced. It's chai tea! I love chai tea. I freaking love chai tea. You brew chai tea with some milk. Oh my gosh, especially in the fall. This stuff is just so good. All right, let's see. India's Authentic Masala Chai, Original House Spices. How awesome. Oh, that makes me so happy. So here is these 4. I got really, really good flavors this time. Oh my gosh. Okay, so the Earl Grey Spiced, it is high caffeine. So the chai is a high caffeine. So again, we have a really good mixture. We have the high caffeine. We have the strawberry one, which is caffeine free. We have the cinnamon rose, which is caffeine free. And then we have the jasmine green tea, which is low caffeine. So a good little mixture of the caffeines, a mixture between being the loose tea and the bag tea, and a lot of different teas to try. So I'm super excited about this box. You guys at Sipsby are getting this like spot on, like with my preferences and everything. I'm just very impressed. I love all of this. It's so awesome. I can't wait to try all of these. So again, if you guys are interested in getting your own, check out the link below to try it out. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, and if you're already, make sure you subscribe for more awesome videos, more unboxings coming up, and definitely a hair color video in my future. So I guess I will see you guys on my next one. Okay, bye.